Mentagasngi Balanga Shitarik Unaitung, Ka Office Janga District Medical and Health Officer West Castle District, Lingba Ka National Ayush Mission, Kum Kajing Snok Tilang Bat Kipat Ba Haka Prithe Shitalup, Hakajing Rakhe Yaka International Yoga Day. Yakate Kajing Rakhe Lapan Long Handongston College, Halor Kapang, Ka Yoga, Ka Binta Badan Kam Hakajing Kajingkia, Hakate Kasngi, Kasmiti Hema Nayak Deputy Commissioner, Kalalong Ka Kongsan.
Inhale, bend to your left. Exhale, come up. Inhale, bend to your right. 5. Rotation clockwise. 1, 2, 3. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3. Now 5. Rotation clockwise. 1, 2, 3. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3. Now keep your hands in your shoulder. Now slowly open your eyes, legs together, hands beside your body. Keep your hands in your waist. Now slowly inhale and raise both your hands up at your shoulder level. Now we'll
handle this. You will have to combine all the activities, and not just yoga. You will have to do other things. You have to do physical activity, you have to do gardening or some other hobby. Or many of us must be dealing with smartphone addiction. Some of you must be going through some other mental health challenges or some other issues, and some of you must be coming from remote villages. You might be staying in Nongstoin, you might not have any family member nearby, you don't know with whom you can share your difficulties. So there are so many challenges for young people today, and yoga and meditation and physical activity, any of these, if you do every day for 5 to 10 minutes also, you don't have to do for hours together. Even if you do for 10 minutes in the morning or maybe 5 to 10 minutes in the evening, you will see the results within few weeks. And not just for the young people, even for your parents, for your mothers, they might be going through a lot. Recently, we have seen you must have seen in the news and in many other data we have seen, in Meghalaya, suicide rates are increasing. And when we were analyzing this data in some other districts, we got to know that many suicide cases are there among young girls, adolescent girls, and also middle-aged men also. Because of some financial constraint, we realized that these mental health issues or suicide rates, they're increasing. And also you must have seen the cases in the nearby Thana. You must have seen there are many cases where physical assault is happening. People are being aggressive, they get angry, they shout at each other, they fight with each other in the market, and these kind of cases are increasing these days. And also in the town areas of Meghalaya, be it Shillong, Tura, Nongstoin, and in these town areas we also see the drug addiction. And these are somewhere linked to the mental health conditions which our young people are going through. And most of the times adults, they don't know what the adolescent children are facing. For adults it might look very plain and simple. For me, when I look at a small child who is going to, let's say, 4th standard, 5th standard in an LP school, I might think what challenge that child must be facing. But if you look from child's perspective, they go through a lot. If they are from remote villages, there are no roads, they have to walk to the school. And sometimes because their parents are not financially sound, they might have to skip the school. And there is lot of child labor which we see in the villages. Though we cannot call it child labor because they are doing the work for the parents, but if you look generally, it is some sort of child labor. So if you see the pressure on children and students and our young people, it is not like before. Earlier it was okay, education was not given